Hey guys, if you're getting the error pop up when trying to play Fortnite that easy anti-cheat is not installed, then keep watching, as in this video I'm going to show you the steps you need to take to fix this issue. First thing we need to do is come to our start menu and search for run, then tap the run icon, and you want to type in C followed by a colon and then hit enter. This should bring up your C drive, and inside of here you need to look for a folder called program files. Double click that. Inside of Epic Games, under Fortnite, Fortnite game, binaries, Win64, and we want to come into a folder called Easy Anti-Cheat. Inside of this folder you should see something called Easy Anti-Cheat _ EOS setup, and you want to right click on this and you want to come into show more options, and we want to come to send to desktop, and that's going to create a shortcut for us on our desktop. So head over to your desktop and you should find the Easy Anti-Cheat shortcut. We just need to right click on this and come into properties. Now in this target text here, you want to scroll all the way to the bottom after the last quotation mark, and you want to type in space followed by repair. And then we can hit apply and OK, and then we just double click on this shortcut. And once you've done that, you can head over to the Epic Games launcher and we can try launching Fortnite. If that doesn't work for you, the other thing we can do is to make sure our firewall is allowing Easy Anti-Cheat, and we can do that by coming to the start menu and searching for Windows Defender. Tap on the Windows Defender icon, and on the left hand side here where it says allow an app or feature through Windows Defender, click on that. Come into change settings to allow us to make changes, and you want to select allow another app. Come over to browse, and we need to find the Easy Anti-Cheat file, so we can come over to our desktop where we just made the shortcut and select Easy Anti-Cheat, and then click on add. Inside of here you just want to make sure both private and public are ticked, and then we can select OK. And we can try launching Fortnite one more time. Now hopefully by following these two easy steps your Fortnite game is now working, but if you still are experiencing problems, please drop a comment below and I'll try my best to assist you. If this video did help you, please drop a like and subscribe. Until next time.